research led by Johns Hopkins University scientists has found new persuasive evidence that could help solve a long-standing mystery in astrophysics. Why did the pace of star formation in the universe slow down some 11 billion years ago? A paper published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society finds evidence supporting the argument that the answer was energy feedback from quasars within the galaxies where stars are born. That is, intense radiation and galaxy-scale winds emitted by the quasars, the most luminous objects in the universe, heats up clouds of dust and gas. The heat prevents that material from cooling and forming more dense clouds, and eventually stars. I would argue that this is the first convincing observational evidence of the presence of quasar feedback when the universe was only a quarter of its present age, when the cosmic star formation was most vigorous, said Tobias Marriage, an assistant professor in the university's Henry A. Rowland Department of Physics and Astronomy. While the findings appearing in the journal published by the Oxford University Press are not conclusive, Marriage said, the evidence is very compelling and has scientists excited. It's like finding a smoking gun with fingerprints near the body, but not finding the bullet to match the gun, Marriage said. Specifically, investigators looked at information on 17,468 galaxies and found a tracer of energy known as the Sunyaev-Zeldovich effect. The phenomenon, named for two Russian physicists who predicted it nearly 50 years ago, appears when high-energy electrons disturb the cosmic microwave background. The CMB is a pervasive sea of microwave radiation, a remnant from the superheated birth of the universe some 13.7 billion years ago. Devin Crichton, a Johns Hopkins graduate student and the paper's lead author, said the thermal energy levels were analyzed to see if they rise above predictions for what it would take to stop star formation. A large number of galaxies were studied to give the study statistical heft, he said.